morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine. So, revising your lecture side by side. So, in today's computer tutorial, we will be continuing with the same chapter. Let's start. So, let's now study chapter number 10, Introduction to Flash CS6. Rectangle tool, which is basically used to draw different rectangular objects. We can also draw different shapes like oval, polystar, etc. by clicking the small drop down arrow on the rectangle tool. We will be discussing these tools one by one. So let's study. So let's now study the rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is present in the tools panel on the right hand side. This is your rectangle tool. The small arrow you can see, we can click on it and different tools will be visible to you all. From this we can select the rectangle tool, or we can simply press R alphabet key from the keyboard in order to activate the rectangle tool. Whenever we want to draw the rectangle or any other tool, we will have to bring the pointer on the stage. When you will bring the pointer towards the stage, its shape changes into the plus sign. Simply drag it and you will see the rectangle has been drawn. Now see here, the outline is of the green color and inside we have the orange color. This is determined by two properties, that is your stroke color and fill color. Stroke color property, it tells you the outline of the object or the shape. Fill color property, it will tell you that which color you are going to fill inside the object or the shape. We can change the stroke color or we can change the fill color by just clicking on it. See, difference is clear. Outline is of purple color and inside we have the blue color. Next is style. Different styles have been provided to you. We are dashed style. What will happen with this? You can see the outline or the stroke is changed into the different style. Clear? The next property we have is rectangle options. Here we can change, we can make our rectangle object in the rounded rectangle form by just entering any value inside one box. When you will enter any value inside one box and click onto the another box, you will see the same value gets entered in all the four boxes. Clear? Now I am changing this color, stroke color, and also I am changing the fill color in order to show you the difference. Now see, the object has been drawn with the rounded rectangle and in the dashed style. So this is the way we can make the use of the rectangle tool. So let's now study the oval tool. We can select the oval tool by pressing the O alphabet key from the keyboard or selecting the oval tool from the list of tools available to you. Now drag the pointer to the stage. You will see the shape of the pointer changes to the plus sign. Now as we have changed the fill color and the stroke color properties in case of the rectangle tool, we can similarly do it for the oval tool also. This is your stroke color. Select it, choose the desired color. This is your fill color. Choose the desired color to be filled. This is your style, which style you want for the outline or for the stroke of the object. Let's say I have selected the dotted. You can increase or decrease the stroke by dragging this pointer, by increasing or decreasing it. Clear, students? So now I am going to draw the oval with the help of the oval tool. Now you can see the difference. As I have increased the stroke size, the stroke outline has been increased. Clear? You can similarly decrease it by dragging the pointer. See, Clear students? In this way we can make the use of the oval tool. So let's now study the next tool, that is the Polystar tool, which we will be selecting by clicking on the small arrow and selecting the Polystar tool from here. Same properties which we have discussed in the oval tool and in the rectangle tool regarding the stroke color and regarding the fill color. These properties are same for the Polystar tool also. Clear students? Now I am coming upon to the options box under the tool settings. When I will click on it, there will be tool setting dialog box appear. There are two options, either you can draw a polygon or a star. Basically this tool is used to draw any shape with n number of sides. Clear? Let's say we will be drawing a polygon. How many sides you want in a polygon? Let's say I want 5. Click on the OK button. Now drag the pointer. You will see 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Now if you want to draw a star, click on the Polystar tool. We have already selected. Click on the options button. Click on the star from the style box. How many sides you want in a polygon? Let's say I want 3 sides. Clear? Click on the OK button. Then again drag the pointer. See, 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. In the same way you can draw any polygon or star with n number of sides by changing the stroke color from this stroke color property, or by changing the fill color from this fill color property. Also you can change the style, as we have done in the rectangle and the oval tool also. So this is the use of the Polystar tool. So practice all these tools which we have discussed today. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day ahead.